Hey guys, it's yours truly, and this is a special video called Great Finds or Cheap Buys. So I just came from Nicholas Smith Trains today, and I picked up this Walthers Amtrak FP7A number 111. It's actually an ex-Southern Pacific unit. Um, as you can see, it's got the full SP full SP detail with the plows, the horns, the icebreakers, and whatnot. And you guys know that this has sound in DCC, obviously, at ESU. You guys know that these are like over $300, and these are impossible to find right now. So this is a brand new engine, and the issue was the front truck was jammed and not moving. So I just looked at it, and if you look in here, the drive shaft is disconnected. Now, would you believe I paid $50 for this? That's right, I paid $50 for this based on the fact that the front truck was not working. So it's a brand spanking new unit. I'm going to reconnect the drive shaft, and I'm pretty sure that once I reconnect the drive shaft, it's actually going to run. So that's engine number one. Engine number two, this is also a Walthers. This is one of the new Walthers Jeep 9s. This one does not run. So the issue is this has busted gears. I haven't opened this one yet, but I paid $45 for this one. So $45 for this one, $50 for that one. With tax, it came to $100.70. But this one, when I put it on the test track, it tried to move, but the gears are jacked in this Jeep 9. So I'm gonna see if I can fix that. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can fix this, but highly unlikely. If I think it highly unlikely I will be able to fix it, but if I can, I will. If I can't, what I'll do is I'll take the ESU decoder out of it, and I will put the ESU decoder in another locomotive that I have with a 21 pin plug. I gotta find out which engine I can put that in though. That's a good question. Or what I might do is de-gear the trucks and just turn it into like a dummy engine. But I want to repurpose that decoder. So yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with that, guys. But yeah, $100 for two engines that are basically what I think these go for like 250, 299 or something like that with sound and DCC, and these go for like over what 300 and something with sound and DCC. So let me put the drive shaft, recouple the drive shaft to the motor, and see if this runs, and then I'll figure out how to tackle this one because the gears are bad in this one. Like they're totally trashed. So I will be right back with this one, probably in the next video. If not, it'll be in this video. But let's get this one working first. Okay, guys, I got the drive shaft recoupled. So I'm gonna see if this actually turns. I think it should. Let me see if I can just turn it with my finger. Yeah, it's turning. Let me see if the wheels are moving. Yep, they're moving. Alright, so let's put it on the track and see what we got, and then this engine's done. Before I put it on the track, I wanted to note one thing I liked about the Walthers F units. I liked how they cast the plow as part of the shell, and I liked the fact that they used really thick plastic for that part. So I just wanted to throw that in there before I put everything back together. So, yeah. Okay, guys, this is like the second part of the video that I was going to mention. Um, I took the Jeep 9 apart, and lo and behold, the drive shaft is disconnected. So, two brand new Walthers proto units, both with the same issue. The drive shafts were disconnected. So, I'm going to reconnect the drive shaft on this one and see how it runs. And then, yeah, that'll be the end of this video, which is pretty interesting. Like, I thought the gears were bad in this, and it turns out it wasn't because the drive shaft was disconnected, just like in the first unit. So I'll be right back. Okay, I got the drive shaft hooked up again. It's turning. So let's put this all back together, and yeah, let's see what happens. I just wanted to show you guys the price on here. And you can see clearly right there on the box, it says, great for parts. So I'm about to put this on the track, and we're going to see if that was the issue that was causing that sound all along, which I'm pretty sure it was. So let's see. So here's the box that what's said on the Amtrak unit. But as you guys could see in the video, both these locomotives had disconnected drive shafts, and I just fixed them. Got both of these engines today for just a little over $100. What a great find, what a steal.